Welcome to Mr. Brown's Basement, a channel devoted to sharing the craft of repairing, restoring, and modifying vintage electronic gear, and other random stuff.
This is a JVC Videosphere model 3241. It came out in the early 70s and it was sold until almost 1980. Its weird helmet design was inspired by the movie 2001: A Space Odyssey. I recently accumulated this sad, neglected little thing in London, Ontario. I think it's going to be my next project, though it won't get finished in a day, and this video won't get finished in a day. So let's take a look. As you see, the case is extremely dirty and yellowed. You might be wondering why there are two cords coming out. There's a reason for that. I'll get to that in a moment, not yet. Looks like somebody has been inside this unit. Not all Videospheres had the clock as part of the base. The first one had only a plain base. What you can do is you can plug the TV into the base and then use the base to turn the TV on and off. There are two knobs, they're concentric, that are missing here. And also all the hours numbers here are missing from the clock. From what I can see, they've been removed, and that's a very bad thing because probably this clock is finished. There you can see that there's actually a 12-volt input for portable operation, connections for VHF and UHF antennas, built-in antenna, though that's seen better days as well, and an earphone jack. If you want, you can carry it around with a built-in chain. There are the controls on top, what you'd expect to see: on-off volume, contrast and brightness, a UHF and VHF tuner. Typical for TVs in the 1970s, the UHF went all the way to channel 83. Of course, those channels don't exist anymore. And the head part tilts and rotates just to make it interesting. This is going to be a bit of work. First of all, to do something about the case. Second, to do something about the clock. And I'm not even thinking about the TV. Hopefully the TV works, but if it doesn't, I'll deal with it. I've ordered some hydrogen peroxide so I can attempt to retrobrite the case. And I have ordered a flip clock, which should fit. Hopefully it will fit. And then I'll just replace the unit. But those things are somewhere in the mail between wherever they are and right here, so none of those things will get dealt with today. They will be the topic of videos to come out soon. Thank you so much for watching, and come back to see the next installment.